Hey everybody, wanted to go over a couple kits today with you. One that we've had for quite some time, and another one that was actually fresh to the scene. We've only had maybe a couple weeks, so wanted to kind of go over the differences between the two, maybe the pros and cons between each two. That way you kind of have a better feeling when you go to make your purchase. So just going to go over both. The first kit we have here on my right is the newer kit, which is going to be ISO, which both are. Changes you out to your newer hydraulics where you don't have to buy another fitting or something to actually be able to plug into the back of the hydraulics of the tractor. So what you're going to see in this kit is the cartridge already, which already has the O-rings on it. Pretty much inserted, got your bolt on the back side to get it tightened in. Then it is threaded. That's one of the main things you're going to see, this difference between the other kits. The main reason for that is you're actually going to thread this external coupling on. So this is actually going to be sticking past your outlets on your tractor versus what we would call like a flush mount, or what would take you back to what you hit what the prior hydraulics were on the tractor. So that will stick out past that, so kind of keep that in mind if you're looking at it. The one nice thing with it, it also has these spring-loaded caps that'll actually close when you pull the hose out. They lift it back up to put the hose back in. So that kit makes it ease of plug and play or plug in and pull out, just for the simple process of being under pressure. Makes it a whole lot easier to release that hose. It does come with installation instructions as well. Then comes a nice tidy box, nothing huge or cumbersome. The kit here I have on my left is one kit that we've had for quite some time. Very good kit. A lot of people probably familiar with it because we do sell quite a few of them. But wanted to kind of go over this kit a little bit more. You still have the same type of cartridge, but this is going to be flush mount, so it's not going to have anything sticking out past it. Then you basically just insert that. The biggest thing with it is you're going to have a bunch of different O-rings and everything that have to be inserted in, new gaskets may have to be put in, even the split ring nylon rings as well. So you're going to have a little bit more work tied up in it. So convenience factor, this would be a lot easier for you to get put in, but on this side you might have a little bit more time tied up in it. The other side of it, these are going to be a little bit cheaper. You're probably talking that $120 range, somewhere right around in there, versus this one's going to be a little over $300, depending on which kit you look at, because there are 3 different kits available on this side. So kind of keep that in mind as well. So if you do have any other questions on the products, you can go online at sonyx.com to check them out, or if you have other questions on it, you can call us at 800-934-9777.